Hello, welcome to your channel. Today I want to talk about how to earn money. There are various ways to earn money, and the approach you take will depend on your skills, interests, and resources. Here are some popular methods to consider. I will now describe in this video.
Employment. Get a job either through traditional means, job applications, interviews, or by freelancing. Explore opportunities in your field of expertise or seek part-time work to earn a steady income. Start a business. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, consider starting your own business. Identify a product or service that you can offer and create a business plan. Launching a business requires careful planning, financial investment, and marketing efforts. Online work. The internet offers numerous opportunities to make money. You can find freelance work on platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. Become an online tutor or instructor. Offer services such as web design or content writing, or even start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize it through advertising and sponsorships. Passive income. Generate passive income by investing in stocks, real estate, or other ventures that can earn money over time. This approach usually requires upfront capital and carries some level of risk, so it's essential to do thorough research and consider seeking professional advice. Online marketplaces. Consider selling products or services through online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. You can sell new or used items, handmade crafts, digital products, or even offer services like graphic design or writing. Gig economy. Take advantage of the gig economy by providing services on platforms like Uber, Lyft, or TaskRabbit. This option allows you to work on your own schedule and pick up tasks or gigs as needed. Monetize your skills and hobbies. Identify your skills and hobbies and find ways to monetize them. For example, if you're good at photography, you can sell your photos online. If you enjoy baking, you could start a small bakery or sell homemade goods at local markets. Remember, building a sustainable income takes time and effort. It's important to stay focused, learn from failures, and continually seek opportunities for growth and improvement. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.